Hi students, coming to the next topic in the cloud computing, that is the evolution of cloud computing. How the cloud computing is evaluated from years to years. So previously there is no the concept of cloud computing. Everything we are using the transactions and whatever we have to want to store the data, everything on our local systems. Okay, but now it will drastically increase the concept of the cloud computing so that it will be aware of everyone, and it will be flexible to use, and it will be available for everyone to access whenever wherever you want. Okay, so now see how the cloud computing is evaluated from years to years. So starting, we are having the grid computers. So what we are doing on grid computers at the starting stage, so it's solving the large problems using parallel computing concepts. So I already explained what is this parallel computing. Okay, so with the help of this grid computing, we are solving the large problems with parallel computing, and this grid computing is made with the mainstream by Globus Alliance. Okay, this is a mainstream by Globus Alliance. So afterwards, it shifted to the advanced of grid is utility computing. So here in utility computing, offering computing resources as a metered service. So they are added some more features to that computing technology and offering a computing resources as a metered services. And it was introduced in 1990s. So after 1990s, it was upgraded as a software as a service. The computing technology is upgraded as a software as a service. So here the software as a service is purely network-based subscriptions to applications. Software as a service. So here one type of software they are created so that it act as a network-based subscriptions to applications. And it was gained movement in 2001. So after 2001, the cloud is entering into the market. There the cloud computing, it's a next generation internet computing as well as the next generation data centers. So the main use of this cloud computing is based on the internet computing, as it also provides the data centers for storing the data. Internet computing is for accessing the data wherever you want and whatever the time you want, and you can access your data. Not only your data, it should everything on the cloud. So based on the subscriptions and based on the usage, based on the requirement, you can access the data. That is internet computing. And the data centers is used to store the data, your data and the different organizations data. Everything will be stored on the cloud with the help of this data centers. So this is the next generation cloud computing. It is purely internet computing and the data centers. So here you can see that the evolutions of cloud services. So in the 1960, you don't have these cloud services. The starting will be the supercomputer, and you are having the mainframes. The starting, whenever the computer was introduced, there at the time we are used, the past people, they use the supercomputers and the mainframe computers as a computer technology. After 1960s, whenever we entered on to 1990s, the first milestone for cloud computing arrives in the form of Salesforce.com. Okay, the first milestone of cloud computing is started at the year of 1990, arrival of Salesforce.com. So next in the 2002, at the time of 2002, this cloud computing is launches of Amazon Web Services. So the Amazon Web Services launches this cloud computing as a own. That is at the year of 2002. So remember these years. So 1960s, we are only using supercomputers and mainframe computers. So in 1990s, the first cloud computing milestone was arrived. At the time of 2002, it's launch of Amazon Web Services in cloud computing. They are providing the services to the customers as well as the users. The cloud services are launched by the Amazon Web Services. So after that, S3 launches and EC2 is at 2006. They are providing the cloud services. And in the year of 2008 and 2009, the Google Apps and Azure are providing the cloud services. So the Google App, it's a machine search engine created by the Google. Okay, they are providing some cloud services facilities, and from the year of 2010, the OneServe field service management software moves top the clouds. So these are the different evolutions of cloud services. Starting at 1960s, you don't have the cloud services. So the cloud concept was started at the year of 1990. From that, it will be increasing from year to year. So this is about the evolutions of cloud computing and cloud services. Thank you.